Hi guys, good evening. And there are a lot of queries which I'm receiving, like how to transfer money which you have got in what you call in Binance app. How to transfer monies from spot to margin or margin to futures or P2P. So I'll just show you quickly. So the moment when you open your app like this, yeah, you have to ensure that you open it in Binance Lite option, non-Lite option. Okay, Binance Lite is very simple thing. So it's a simple this thing, no advanced features. You need to switch it off. So this is pro version. This is full-fledged version. That is a simplified version. So after this, you will identify these things. So go to wallets. The moment you come here under overview, you will see transfer. Okay, so the moment, let me just show you transfer. Okay, so when you click transfer na, what happens, it will show you some things like spot wallet to P2P or something like that. So currently I have got my money in spot. Basically it will be in spot. I want to transfer it to margin. Okay, let me click transfer spot wallet to, I'll click this thing and I'll use cross margin. Okay, so the moment when I select cross margin, I have to select my currency also, because I have got USDT, not BTC. So USDT, your available balance is displayed here. Okay, so if you select max and if you click transfer, you'll get a transfer confirmation message. Okay, now coming back from retracing it back to spot. Okay, transfer from cross margin to spot. Okay, again USDT max transfer, it is transfer successful. Now there is some query where some guys says that I've got certain money in spot, like in Binance, I just wanted to transfer it to Vazrix. Okay, you click transfer. For those people, you need to click your transfer. You need to select this P2P wallet, and before you do this Vazrix thing, you need to select Vazrix. Before you select these things, you need to ensure that your Vazrix is connected to your Binance app. Okay, so now select your currency. So you see here available balance is so and so, so and so, so and so. So select max transfer. Now I'll need to confirm it. Let me just confirm. Okay, 044286 is my OTP. Okay, and what about my mail ID? Let me quickly search my mail ID also. So my mail ID confirmation, this thing is 1511 151001. So the Binance thing, let me go paste it here, submit. After I do this, since it has got certain withdrawal limit conditions, after you do it, it automatically sends your money back to Vazrix. Hope you guys understand this process. You need to verify it and then it will be transferred directly to your Vazrix amount. From there you can again convert when you go to Vazrix. So from here in the fund section, actually Vazrix is down right now, so it's on maintenance. So after you get these things, there is an option called withdraw. From here you can withdraw your money also. So from here you can do that basically. Okay, this has come now. Okay, so I'll do separate thing how to withdraw Vazrix, this thing, because see, I'll show you what are the transactions that I have done earlier. So these are the transactions which have withdrawn. See, we have updated your bank details, and Vazrix make sure that bank details are your app before attempting your transfer. So basically you get what you call, you get a withdrawal option over here. The moment when you click withdraw, You need to wait for this. Lots of sorry for that. Okay, so either instant withdrawal which is chargeable, or a NEFT withdrawal which is 5 per it is also chargeable. So maximum NEFT withdrawal is maximum 50 lakhs per transaction. So total 1 crore. So you have got all the conditions over here, you have to read that. So if I select instant withdrawal, the moment I select 100 rupees and withdraw all what is there, I'll withdraw it. The moment I click on this thing, it automatically sends money to my bank account. I hope you understand this process of withdrawing money from Vazrix also. So simply you need to do these kind of things. Chalo. Bye bye guys. See you with another interesting video later. Bye.